Did you know that around 1 in every 4 people in the world has a fatty liver and most of them don't even realize it? Your liver is your body's natural detox factory, but when it gets overloaded with fat, toxins start building up like smoke in a chimney. The good news? You can actually reverse fatty liver not with pills, but by simply eating the right foods. So, in this video, we'll uncover the 7 best foods that can heal, detoxify, and protect your liver naturally. Stay till the end because the last one is a superfood your liver will absolutely love. Food 1. Green leafy vegetables. Let's start with green leafy vegetables: spinach, kale, and lettuce. These greens are like a cleansing brush for your liver. They're packed with chlorophyll, which helps flush out toxins and neutralize heavy metals and pesticides. Studies show that people who eat more leafy greens have lower liver fat levels and better enzyme function. Try adding a handful of spinach to your smoothies or saute kale with garlic for a perfect liver-loving side dish. What's your favorite leafy green vegetable? Tell me in the comments: spinach, kale, or something else. Food 2. Garlic. Up next, garlic. This tiny ingredient is a detox powerhouse. Garlic activates liver enzymes that help your body eliminate toxins and boosts glutathione, your liver's own antioxidant defense. It also contains allicin and selenium, 2 compounds that protect the liver from damage and help reduce inflammation. Tip: crush your garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. That's when allicin becomes most active. Fun fact, just 1 clove of garlic daily can help improve liver enzymes in people with fatty liver disease. Food 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower triglycerides and prevent fat buildup in the liver. In fact, research shows that omega-3s can reduce liver inflammation and even improve insulin sensitivity. That's why adding fish to your diet twice a week can be one of the smartest moves for a healthy liver. Prefer plant-based? Go for chia seeds or flax seeds. They're great vegetarian sources of omega-3s. Food 4. Avocado. Now here's a creamy surprise: avocado. Avocados aren't just trendy, they're scientifically proven to support liver health. They're loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol and liver fat. Plus, they contain glutathione and vitamin E, 2 antioxidants that help your liver detoxify harmful substances. Try adding half an avocado to your breakfast toast. Your liver will thank you. Food 5. Green tea. Here's something to sip on: green tea. This ancient drink contains catechins, powerful antioxidants known to help reduce liver fat and inflammation. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can improve liver enzyme levels and boost metabolism, making it easier for your liver to break down fat. But remember, skip the sugar. Go for pure brewed green tea or matcha. Question for you: are you a coffee lover or a green tea fan? Comment below, let's see which side wins. Food 6. Walnuts. Next on our list, walnuts. They're one of the best nuts for liver health because they're high in arginine, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. These nutrients help detoxify ammonia, reduce liver fat, and support overall liver function. In fact, studies have shown that people with fatty liver who eat walnuts regularly have better liver test results than those who don't. Snack on a small handful daily or add crushed walnuts to your salad for a crunchy liver-friendly boost. Food 7. Turmeric. And finally, the golden hero, turmeric. This ancient spice contains curcumin, which fights inflammation, prevents fat buildup in the liver, and promotes the growth of new liver cells. It's like giving your liver a fresh start every day. Turmeric also helps improve bile production, which is crucial for breaking down fats efficiently. Try mixing a pinch of turmeric with warm water and lemon juice in the morning, or add it to soups and curries for a powerful liver healing touch. Bonus tip: along with these foods, cut down on sugar, alcohol, and processed foods, the main culprits behind fatty liver. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is your liver's best friend. So, which of these 7 liver healing foods will you start eating today? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to know your pick. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and of course subscribe to our channel for more amazing health and nutrition videos every week. Because your liver takes care of you, it's time you take care of it too.